Welcome back to QS Tube, your ultimate guide to luxurious living and impeccable design. Are you dreaming of transforming your small backyard into a stunning modern oasis? Design 1. A sophisticated urban retreat featuring a pristine white concrete patio and a dramatic charcoal fence adorned with vibrant bougainvillea. Design 2. This narrow backyard becomes a lush, multi-layered green oasis with a floating ipewood deck and rustic corten steel planters. Design 3. The epitome of modern minimalism. This garden boasts a custom outdoor kitchen, columnar cypress trees, and a sleek smokeless fire pit. Design 4. A charming yet luxurious modern cottage garden, overflowing with romantic David Austin roses and fragrant lavender against a weathered brick wall. Design 5. A striking architectural garden with geometric, raised concrete planters that double as benches, filled with spiky agave and silvery fescue grass. Design 6. Experience tranquility in this modern Zen garden, where meticulously raked white gravel surrounds a stunning crimson Japanese maple. Design 7. A vibrant and playful garden featuring a bold, black and white patterned tile patio, and a stunning living wall teeming with exotic plants. Design 8. The ultimate city-dwelling sanctuary. This garden is dominated by a stunning infinity edge water feature and elegant bamboo screening for privacy. Design 9. Sustainable luxury is at the heart of this design, with a reclaimed wood deck, a jasmine-draped pergola, and integrated rainwater harvesting. Design 10. A dramatic and moody garden with a masculine edge, featuring a dark brick wall, a corten steel fire pit, and bold sculptural plants. We love hearing from you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more high-end home and garden inspiration,